Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and getting your lectures during your quarantine. I hope these lectures are very helpful for you to understand the topic properly. We are studying chapter number 11, Organic Chemistry, and today we will study a very important and different topic, alkanes and alkyl radicals. In the first portion of video, we will discuss about alkanes. What are alkanes? Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. These are the simplest hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms forms all single covalent bonds. It means tetravalency of carbon is fully satisfied by a single covalent bond and hence it is known as saturated hydrocarbons. As the valency of carbon is fully satisfied by a single covalent bond, that's why these type of hydrocarbons are saturated as well as stable compounds. Alkanes are also known as paraffins. Para means less, affins means affinity or reactivity. So paraffin means less reactive. Means alkanes are those compounds which show very less reactions with other atom or group of atom, and as a result these are very stable compounds. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms which ranges from carbon 1 to 40 in case of alkanes. Here you can see the example, first compound which is alkane having one carbon with 4 single bonds with 4 hydrogens. This is the simplest and the first member of alkane hydrocarbons, methane. Its molecular formula is CH4, which can be calculated from the general formula. How? C1 H, 2 ones are 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, CH4. So in this way, if we know the number of carbon atoms, we can calculate the number of other compounds, molecular formula. We can calculate the molecular formula of a compound by knowing the number of carbon atoms, and as a result we can calculate the number of hydrogens. Now all the compounds in the series of alkanes are present in a group in a series known as homologous series. So we will discuss what is homologous series. Homologous series is a series of similarly constituted compounds, means same type of compounds in which all members of the series have same functional group and same chemical properties. Means it is a series of similar type of compounds in which all the members of the series have same functional group and same chemical properties. Functional group is the atom or group of atom which is attached to the hydrocarbon and determine the characteristic properties of a hydrocarbon compound. Mainly functional group determines the chemical properties. That's why when the members of the series have same functional group, they also have same chemical properties. Two consecutive members of the series differ in their molecular formula by CH2 group and in their molecular mass by 14 units. Here you can see the series of alkane. Methane is the first member having a molecular formula CH4. Ethane is the second member having molecular formula C2H6. The difference between these two molecular formulas is the difference of CH2 group. How? 2 minus 1 carbon, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 hydrogen. So the difference in the molecular formula in these two consecutive members is CH2 group, and difference in their molecular mass is also the molecular mass of this CH2 group. Carbon has an atomic mass 12 and hydrogen has atomic mass 2. Two hydrogens are there. So total mass of this CH2 group is 14, and the difference in the molecular mass of these two members, consecutive members which are beside one another, is the 14 units. So in this way the difference in their molecular formula is CH2 group and their molecular mass is 14 units. The definition of homologous series is a series of similarly constituted compounds in which all members of the series have same functional group and same chemical properties. Two consecutive members of the series differ in their molecular formula by CH2 group and in their molecular mass by 14 units. Organic compounds are divided into different groups of compounds having similar chemical properties, and these groups are known as homologous series. Organic compounds in homologous series have some specific properties which we will discuss here. These are the properties of homologous series. Number 1, all members of the series have same general formula. Means if it is a series of alkanes, all members of the series have a general formula CnH2n plus 2, and by knowing the number of carbon atoms with the help of this formula, we can calculate the molecular formula of a compound. Similarly, in case of alkenes, the general formula is CnH2n. Alkenes are those hydrocarbons which have double covalent bond. In case of alkynes, the general formula is CnH2n minus 2, where alkynes have triple covalent bond. Number 2, the successive members of the series differ in their molecular formula by CH2 group and in their molecular mass by 14 units, as I have explained it previously. Then come to the chemical properties. Similar chemical properties are present in the members of the series because they have same functional group, as we have discussed in the definition as well. They have same functional group and same chemical properties. Now if we talk about the physical properties, they have a regularly changing physical properties because of the change in their molecular mass. As we move down the series, the molecular mass increases gradually by the difference of 14 units. In this way, the physical properties also changes gradually, like melting point, boiling point, and density. The last property of homologous series is their method for preparation. All the members of the homologous series have almost similar general methods for preparation. But as we move down the series and the molecular mass of the compound increases, it might be that conditions can be changed like temperature and pressures, but the general method for preparation of the compound in a series are same. So these are the different properties of the compounds present in a same homologous series. Hydrocarbons are the parent organic compounds, and all other compounds are considered to be derived from the hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are the basic compounds having homologous series, and I hope these points are very good for you to understand the topic of homologous series.